Today I'm going to show you the simple trench functionality where we can create volume calculations based on pipes without creating corridors. This is useful in cases like this where I have a lot of service pipes and it's not really time efficient to create corridors for each of these. Besides the pipes where they are designed, I need to have an assembly in my drawing. So I start by using the pipe trench assembly functionality and importing the normal pipe trench assembly into my drawing. Now the functionality will calculate based on the pipe and it will use a standard section from my assembly. The settings that I can change that will affect this calculation will be default width and default height. Default width is the distance between the outer pipe's outer edges, and default height is the distance between the top and bottom of the pipe edges. Since this will be an excavation with only one pipe, I'm going to lower the default width a little bit and also going to lower the default height. And we can see that the section will update to reflect the changes. Once I'm done with my subassembly, I will start the simple trench functionality. It will start by importing the property set that it's requiring to do the calculation, and once that is done, I will select a pipe. In this case, I can use the all pipes in network option because my service pipes are all in their own pipe network. And then I select my subassembly and the property set that I want to use. Click OK, and the calculation will be done. I can view the property data, which means that I can then see that on each pipe, I have a calculation of all the different excavations and pipe trench volumes. I can also combine these values and see the total of them by going to the Naviate property palette, finding everything with the pipe trench simple property. I'm going to do a search and I will select all my objects, and then I can use the sum to see my complete trench volume in cubic meters. I can also see my backfill in cubic, my bedding in cubic, and also the bedding squared if I require that value.